Hi guys, welcome back to yet again another awesome video. Today we're pulling apart the engine again. We're gonna, if you watched last video, my last video was me changing out my spark plugs because I was getting a throw, the P0, I forgot what it was. Anyways, I was throwing a code, so I changed the spark plugs, everything was fine. I did a couple reps in my garage and then I heard this. I don't know about you, but that sounded fucking horrible. So today, courtesy of FCP Euro, I'm gonna be installing some Bosch Ignition coils that I got from them. And what's cool about the company is that they offer lifetime replacement guarantee on everything you buy with them. So I have my Bosch coil right here, nicely packaged. And what's cool about FCP Euro is that is that they have OEM genuine pieces that fit directly into your car. So this is exactly what mine looks like and exactly what it's supposed to look like, and that's perfect for me. So for today's video, I'm gonna start by removing everything that I explained in the last video, getting into the spark plugs, changing the coils out, everything. If you want a more detailed step-by-step method of how to do it, I'm gonna show you next video. Today we're doing this simply because it threw a code and I was told that my bank, I'm actually gonna show you what it said. I got myself my little e9x scanner here, and okay, so it says I have 7 detected. Okay, so these are the codes that are currently being thrown on my car. So I have P0172. My system is too rich in the bank 1 and as well as bank 2. Again. Then it said cylinder fires is misfire, 6 is misfiring, and now there's random misfire detected. So to solve this issue that I'm having here, I'm simply gonna just swap everything out. And I got a buddy that works at BMW. He graciously gave me 6 brand new spark plugs, so I'm gonna take out the old NGK ones that I just put in last video, and I'm gonna put these ones in. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of speed through this. I won't get into the nitty-gritty, all the details that I did in my last video, so you should check that out if you haven't already. And consider subscribing. I always do this kind of stuff. I'm always trying to fix my car. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a student. I try to do as much as I can when I can, and I just love cars. I love to mess around with my car, figure things out, learn. That's my goal. So if you're kind of on the same page, subscribe and follow the channel with me. Let's get into the video. Now we're gonna put back my BMW spark plugs. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take some dielectric grease. I'm gonna put just a little bit on here, just so it could get on the threads, so that when I thread it on, it actually complements the spark in the engine. So, and also when I take it out next time, it's gonna be much easier. So I'm gonna fish it in with my magnet here. I'm gonna first put it in, get it seated, turn it a little bit so that it catches, and then slightly tighten it in until I feel it grab.
This is Earth Radio, and now here's human music.
Leave it in there and do the same for the rest. all these down. We're gonna put them at 30 Newton meters of torque. Now we're gonna put on the new coils from Bosch, and after this we're gonna temporarily try the engine. We're gonna turn it on and see if everything is okay before putting everything back together. All the spark plugs put in, all the coils put on top of the spark plugs, everything's ready. We're gonna test out the car. Alright, something went wrong. So I went to start the car at first. I was having trouble. Then I did some research, and then I found on the forums, the BMW forums, that one guy said that resetting the throttle adaptation resolved my rough idle problems that started right after replacing the spark plugs. As stated on other discussions, you can reset adaptation driving with the following easy steps. And so, number one, never touch the brake pedal and the key remains inserted the entire time. Insert the key, press the start button. Now you gotta press and hold the gas pedal for 5 seconds without releasing the gas pedal. After the 5 seconds, push the start button, then release the gas pedal, wait a full 2 minutes, and then start the car normally. Now you would need to do this because there's no gas in the coils or in the spark plugs, so holding that gas pedal for 5 seconds gives the gas the chance to get through to everything. And then after that, my car started properly. And anyways, stay tuned, guys. I got a bunch of more stuff coming along for the car, for the channel. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.